Rifleman Sebatane Chokwe ubekwenza weni yakhe yokugcina ngendlela lenesithundi. Kanti-ke labo lasebenza nabo bangani kanye nemndeni bamchaze njengendvodza lebe ineluthando futhi lehloniphako.
Oh, he was a very kind guy, a gentle soul, you know. He was very kind, very polite, very respectful, you know, very generous, and we will always remember him, you know. It's a very huge loss for the family.
In deployment, we're still together. Even in the base, most of the people were calling us twins. Because everything that we do, we'll make sure that we do it together, even doing the laundry.
Indvuna yelitiko letekuvikela Angie Motshekga uchaze Chokwe njengelisotsha langempela lebelitimisele kufela kutsi kube nekuthula. Kanti-ke uthi emasotsha lafana na Chokwe ayalidzinga lusito lekuthi aniketwe konke lakudzingako.
Those who are still in mission, we will work with them and make sure that they get all the necessary support. We are expecting the injured ones will be back soon, but we're also in direct communication with those that are still in the defense, in DRC and other missions.
Motshekga ukhombise kukujabulela kungenelela kwetinhlangano letihlukahlukene kulolu dzaba lwase-DRC.
I think there have been very good developments. If you see, yesterday UN also pronounced itself on the matter. We were at AU last week. It also pronounced itself on the very same matter. There was a special commission to focus on this.
Etindzabeni tetfu ku Channel 163 lotiletselwa iNewsroom Africa ngingumweli Masilela eMogokhong eLimpopo.